Brave browser markets itself as a privacy-focused alternative to Chrome and Edge. It blocks ads and trackers by default, enforces HTTPS, and lets you earn small crypto rewards through Brave ads. The idea is simple. Browse faster, safer, and cleaner without relying on big tech ecosystems. Now, what do users actually say? On Trustpilot, Brave holds around 2.8 stars out of 5. Many users praise its strong ad blocking, minimalist design, and built-in privacy shields. They like how it removes clutter and prevents tracking without needing extra extensions. However, there's also a good number of complaints. Some users report website compatibility issues, higher RAM usage, and sync problems between devices. A few say Brave has slowed down in recent updates. Discussions on Reddit echo the same. Some find it a refreshing break from Chrome, appreciating its speed and focus on privacy. Others argue Chrome still feels smoother and that Brave's built-in features can sometimes cause bugs or slowdowns. In short, Brave is legit, not a scam. It genuinely delivers strong privacy protection and a cleaner browsing experience, but it's not flawless. Expect occasional hiccups and be ready to trade a bit for convenience for privacy. If you're tired of intrusive ads and want more control over your data, Brave is worth trying. But if you want something that works seamlessly on every site without tweaks, you might prefer sticking with Chrome or Edge for now.